Thinking about solar panels but put off by common myths? We use the latest UK data to debunk the 10 biggest misconceptions. From Axiom Eco Homes. Myth 10. Panels make your house unsellable. In reality, buyer surveys show solar can actually increase property value. Myth 9. Panels need constant cleaning. Rain cleans most grime, so only minimal maintenance is required. Myth 8. Batteries are always necessary. You can export excess power to the grid under the Smart Export Guarantee without a battery. Myth 7. Solar panels are too expensive. Costs have dropped 80% in a decade. A 4 kilowatt system now costs between £5,000 and £7,000. Myth 6. You need planning permission. Most domestic systems are permitted development, so you usually don't need permission. Myth 5. Panels cause roof damage. Properly installed panels protect your roof and typically have a 25-year lifespan. Myth 4. UK latitude is a barrier. Our irradiance is comparable to Germany, which has over 60 gigawatts of solar capacity. Myth 3. Cloudy days produce no power. Panels still generate 10 to 25% of their peak output on overcast days. Myth 2. Panels need direct sunlight. Modern panels generate electricity from diffuse light, not just direct sun. The biggest myth: solar panels don't work in the UK. A typical 4 kilowatt system produces around 3,800 kilowatt hours per year, enough for significant energy savings. Ready to get real figures for your home? Visit Axiom Eco Homes for a free, no-obligation quote.